Rural India is the beating heart of the world's largest democracy, but its people are cut off from the country's development in many ways. India's biggest challenge is to bridge the growing rural-urban divide. Dr. Chhavi Rajawat chose her career as a sarpanch to bring the gap between cities and villages by making them smart villages, with all the basic amenities in them for which they often run towards cities, leaving their inheritance back. She is today the elected head of the village council of Soda village in the district of Tonk, Rajasthan. She was first elected as Sarpanch in February 2010 and then re-elected for the second term in February 2015 for her fantastic deeds in the first term. Chhavi was born in Jaipur to Srimati Harsh Chauhan and Shri Narendra Singh Rajawat. Her earliest influences in life have been her years at Rishi Valley School and the time spent at home with her parents and grandparents, where she learned the lessons of inclusiveness and equality. She grew up in an environment which encouraged respect and dignity for all without any bias and prejudice of caste and creed. Sarpanch Rajawat's aim is to make Soda a model village by pursuing an integrated, sustainable, gender-balanced development that can be replicated in other villages too. In order to accomplish her goals to bridge that divide, Sarpanch Rajawat is actively seeking support in the form of expertise as well as funds and adoption of projects from the governments and non-government sectors, including corporations, NGOs and individuals to collectively work towards creating the model village. Chhavi's first tenure as a Sarpanch was about identifying the most pressing needs of a village Soda. The biggest challenge was the scarcity of the drinking water, which was aggravated by continuous dry spells, which she resolved using her own relations and mobilizing her personal resources without any outside help. Her biggest strength and motivation during those initial months was the faith shown in her by the village residents. During her first term, Chhavi was successful in bringing transparency into the council office. Water to a drought-hit region, constructing toilets and fine roads, promoting plantation, opening a bank and encouraging women and girls to open accounts and inculcate the habit of saving, forming self-help groups, providing a better infrastructure to the government-run schools, saving a girls' college in the village from shutting down, mobilizing parents to educate their children, providing electricity to every household, and introducing a waste management project amongst other accomplishments. Her focus during her second term is on improving the quality of education at Anganwadis, primary schools and in the government-run high school by introducing vocational training to help provide alternate sources of income and improving the ecological balance and agricultural practices. Chhavi is an alumna of Rishi Valley and Mayo College Girls' School. She graduated from Lady Shri Ram College, New Delhi and followed it up with a degree in business management from Pune. She worked in the corporate sector for about 7 years, during which she undertook myriad roles in media, hospitality and the telecom industry. She is an Aspen Fellow and a young global leader with World Economic Forum, which she co-chaired in India, and was recently invited to be a part of the first Obama Summit held in Chicago and Town Hall in Delhi, where she had engaged with leaders from across the globe under the leadership of former US President Barack Obama. Chhavi has won many medals and accolades for her work. She received the First Lady's National Award from the Honorable President Shri Ramnath Kovind and Ministry of Women and Child Development at Rashtrapati Bhavan in January 2018. She was also awarded Reebok's Fit to Fight Award by Miss Kangana Ranaut, the Young Leader Award, the Young Indian Leader Award by CNN-IBN, Bharat Ratna Rajiv Gandhi Yuva Shakti National Award, All India Women Achievers Award and India TV's Yuva Award. She has been honored with SOCAM Ladies League's Grassroots Women of the Decade Achievers Award by Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu and honored in Technology Day by former President late Shri APJ Abdul Kalam. Chhavi has received enormous support from her parents, who have been her biggest motivators to work for the betterment of the underprivileged. In the future, she wants to continue working for the society and wants to use her experience to develop scalable models for rural development and inclusiveness.